so much, guys. Thank you. Ay, ba yun? Next po, meron tayo. This is from him. Ito naman po. Ay, hindi. Iba talaga. Okay. Meron din tayong bracelets. Oh. Yeah. From who? You know who you are. Thank you. Let's open that. Oh! Brother, you're gonna like this. Woo!
Ala, natupad talaga.
Thank you!
May nag-chat sa akin.
We want this! Thank you po.
Anong natupad? Hindi mo ba? Hindi. Tinata ko ni Hershey.
Oh, thank you po. Oh my gosh!
Hershey.
Thank you. Mag-play kami ng brothers ko nito talaga. Oh! May game pa. Hey! Thank you po! Wow!
Yung isa.
Bro, thank you po.
Binili ko.
Okay, bro. Thank you, guys. Next. Parang hindi siya, parang kaya nyo open. Oh!
Oh my God!
Yung ba pa? Ay!
Yung case lang yun.
Ay, case na pala yun! Thank you po! Wow! I'm so excited talaga. I'm gonna use this. Thank you.
Totoo talaga yun.
Legit, I'm gonna use this, bro.
Totoo talaga yung
In my
Yung
ganap, I'm gonna bring this with me all the time. Gusto ko to eh. I will buy this
Ay, di mo iwan sa amin. Joke lang.
Thank you po! Thank you! Wow! Okay, next. 2 OT4 leaf clover quadro Blackpink ang Cebu Rain Hershey Nation's Oh, it's for us 4? From AV Team Rain QC. Hello! It's for us 4? Yay! It's for us 4! Oh. Okay, I will read this to you. Kasi quick live. Oh. Paano ba ito i-open? Ay, sorry. Ah! Ay, ingay. Oh! Ay. Oy. It's a keychain. Clover leaf. Ah! Wait lang ha. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. So thoughtful. Inapil pa yung friends ko. Thank you. I love it. I'm gonna wear this. Thank you.
Yes.
Bro, my friends are gonna be so excited. Oh! What's this from? What's this from? Ate?
I don't know.
Wala eh. Ah! Thank you! Thank you po.
Wala nga letter dito.
Ay, baka meron din.
Alam ko meron yan eh. Meron yan.
From GD1, GD2, GD3. Hey, let's go! Ang crazy nyo talaga. Wow! Thank you po. Lahat ng plano ko bilhin, it's already here, bro. Thank you, guys. Ang smart nyo talaga. Thank you po. Thank you po. Bunso, to complement our iPad gift here, the pocket Wi-Fi. Love you, Ate Ann. Ano daw?
Ano yan?
A pocket Wi-Fi?
Pocket Wi-Fi talaga.
Look, kailangan ko din to. Thank you po. Bro. Thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you po. Thank you. To Rain Salmar from Miggy. Hello. Hey! It's my style. I love it. A jersey. Thank you. Yay, meron ako masuot. Thank you po.
Ganda.
Grabe ka.
Mag-artista na lang tayo, kuya.
Ikaw yung nag-abot ng bouquet sa airport. Thank you po. Thank you! Thank you.
Nanonood sila, iba?
Thank you guys. I'm so
Ilan views
blessed
pa
and
yun?
thankful pa talaga. 16. My brother, say hi, brothers.
Hi, everyone!
Yeah. Kuya, say hi.
Hi.
This one naman po. Walang nakasulat. Tsaka man. Ay, ito. Moto. Eh.
Yo.
Oh.
Wow! Ganda ang writing ah.
Very clean.
Hi, Bunso. Ah. Ah. Thank you po. Bakit walang from? Gusto ko manood kung sino ka. Sino ka? Thank you po. Okay. Oh!
Pang-game siya.
Hey, we
Kasi
like this.
18 ka na.
Hey!
Naman eh.
Wow! We like this. My brothers and my OT4 friends. Wow, perfect! Sabi ko kanina, kailangan ko pabango. Kasi kalimutan ko magdala pabango. Thank you po.
Ano pa ibang kailangan mo? Baka dating.
Uy!
Oo nga, sabihin mo. Baka
Huwag na.
matindi.
Mag-gin siya, mag-gin.
Ayaw nga.
Wait, tsaka man. I'm gonna smell po. Kasi I like perfumes eh. Huwag mo oh.
Ay, Versace.
Parang nagreklamo sila. Oh! Mama, smell this. You like this.
Parang familiar yung amoy.
Bango.
I love it, guys. Thank you. Grabe, bro. Nakalimutan ko lang magdala ng perfume. Thank you so much. Tagging Nile Hershey Shamsay. Okay. From Jarring Blues na naman. Ay, from Jarring Blues po ito. Oh! What's this? Oh! Wow, cute!
Ganda ng ano.
I will use. Hala ka. Thank you po. Thank you, Jarring Blues. Thank you. Oh, hindi siya dami. Ay, may letter din siya. Okay, I'll read this.
Oh
Perfect.
my
Bakit
gosh.
parang ang galing niyo, guys? Thank you po. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you po. Okay.
Hindi ko alam sino nagbigay. Pangalan, thank you na lang. Ayun na.
Uy.
Thank you.
Ay, ito po. Thank you. May nagbigay ng mga mango. Ay, kaya binigyan tayo ng mango? Ay, pinaglihid ako sa mango. Thank you po sa nagbigay ng mango. Titignan, try natin kung sweet or sour siya. Or both. Thank you sa nagbigay ng mango. Let's go! Thank you po. To Reina Jen from AV. Oh, she also gave kanina. Yung nagbigay ng OT4. Clover Friends. Help, brother.
Iyan naman na yung ibang...
Wait lang, asan yun? Ay.
Siguro.
To Rain, happy 18th birthday. Ay, na-open dito. Thank you po. Bisaya ka ba? Bisaya ako. The secret to saving and building your future. Thanks guys, I need this. Kasi parang crazy na eh. Thank you po. Hey. Oh, there's also letter. Yung letters po guys, I will read in my personal time po. Kasi maraming chismoso dito.
Wow.
Oh, thank you.
Apat lang kami. Marami din.
Thank you po.
Oh, ito na, bukas na.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh!
Wow!
I said, di ba? Gusto ko din. You know, I added to cart many neckties kasi I'm loving the necktie style right now. Thank you!
Anong bilang kailangan mo nito?
Sige niyo suot sa pants niyo.
Na,
Ay, napansin nila isa na yung gamit.
bro, thank you!
Akin kayo.
Hala ko. Kasi isa lang necktie ko. Kinuha ko pang galing kay Juro.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you!
Relate.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Ang ganda pa ng design sa Nacho.
Nag-crave ko kasi.
Okay. Oy! Perfect! Oy!
Wow.
Meron akong ganito. Daga na ito na gano'n, pero hindi po. Oh, thank you.
Ano yan? Para sa...
Wala lang, ano. When you feeling sad, you go like that.
Ah.
When you feeling happy, you go like this, bro.
Oh!
Yes! Pero pag ano, oh, may mga foodable.
Hindi, pang baon mo. Saan?
Ay! Ay, may lollipop pa. Wala ka, doy.
Ano, ang galit mo yung screen.
I like lollipop. Thank you. At saka yung everything here. Oy!
Wow.
To Rain from Shaina Fuentes.
Wow.
Thank you, Oh, ka-cute! I'll put this in my room. Legit, malamang. Thank you. Ha!
Dami mo na sa room.
I like lamps din kasi. Kaya, kita niyo yung room ko. I like little lights. Kasi ayoko yung big light eh. So, sama. Thank you po. Maraming snacks. It's so kailangan here kasi we're doing more shows eh. So, thank you guys. Thank you so much! So, thank you po, assistant. Sama na. Pugi abong babosta pa. Ay, sorry. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Polaroid! Thank you!
Wow.
Kasi, oh my god, oh my gosh! Kasi gusto ko rin Polaroid pictures, bro. Bakit kilala niyo ako? Crazy, no? Wow! Thank you! Paano niyo kalam? Kalam? Meron din letter. Thank you po. Kaman. Charmbondo. Thank you, Charmbondo. Thank you so much, bro. Kilala niyo ako. Crazy.
Here na, picture kayo mamaya.
Huh?
Picture kayo mamaya.
Also, this kanina. Nakuha ko kanina sa surprise birthday. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, saan gawin na?
This one? Ay. Thank you. Gulat ako! Kakagulat! Tingnan mo. Oh, diba? Ay, wait. Hey, happy birthday! So cute! Thank you po! This is from Ate Earl Joy. She brought it on. Aw, thank you! Thank you, Ate Earl Joy. Bakit na ang maninian? My heart, my dear, you are very important. Thank you, Ate Joy. Thank you po. Walaan nyo na lang. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Next we got to Reina Jen from Jarrain Weaver. Here you go, here you go.
Ay, tapos na pala to.
Ay, bakit yung face? Baka mas quick. Ay, ayaw. From Jonah. Thank you. Ay, natutuwa sa likod. Letters.
Damn.
I'm excited to read this. Pero sabihin ko na lang yung names for, you know. From Ate Charm and Ate Jonah. From Ate Sunset. From Jarrain Official. Sino? Hala, secret. Mysterious siya. From Ate Casey. From RB Jarrain Weaver. From Ate Jiao Jiao aka Kitty Cat. From Ate Jangmi. From JJ of Rain. From, yeah. Thank you. Mag-read ako nito. Later, after the motion. Bakit laging may like that? Okay. Hey! Happy birthday to you! Thank you po. From Ate Jonah. Amazing nito na. Thank you. Yay! Marami pang little letters.
Wow, cute.
Oh, thank you.
Sentimental.
I like pa yung mga ganyan. Eh! Wow, tingnan niyo shades. May rain sa gilid. Eh!
Ingit si Kuya.
Eh, yo. Wow! Cool lagi siya.
Wala.
Oo nga. Pag nawala, pakibalik na lang po sa owner.
What if
Please ha.
Damn.
Oh, I like this.
Nice, nice.
Ang wagay mo sa atin?
Oh. Bakit may ibang, hindi ka rain?
Hindi ka rin.
May rain to rain. Thank you so much. I love it.
Igawin mo na lang sa akin.
I-wear ko to.
Yung ano?
Oo.
Last one.
Yung mga letter.
Last na. Ito na.
Ha? Huwag mo yan mo.
Hindi. Last final.
From Auntie Jane.
Oo.
Thank you so much. Di kami mag-aagawa-gawa nito, legit. And, Pockies. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. And also pala. Kanina. Meron kayo picture nun?
Na?
Ng star?
Um,
Kanina in the surprise birthday, guys. Crazy talaga. Kasi you guys gifted me ganito. Asan yun?
wait lang. Yung naghanap ako.
But first, let me take a joke. First, guys, tingnan niyo yung cake ko. A piece of the cake kanina. Ay, a piece. A top? Ang cute. Daming stars. I love it. Yeah, tingnan niyo guys kanina. In the party, you guys surprised me with a big star that consists of. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to Rambo? Bakit tumatakbo kayo? That it consisted of what's that? The big camera. Ay! Okay. Wait lang.
180,000.
Wala. Na-stock ako. Patay tayo dyan. Thank you so much, guys! Thank you so much!
Thank you, guys!
Ay, bakit ikaw? Bakit? Thank you din po sa pa-party po kasi sa mga nag-sponsor po ng party and sa gifts po talaga. Thank you po so much. And even coming there sa party, you guys made my birthday special po kahit I'm in Jensen. Di ko in-expect na magkaka-party ako kahit, kahit ang in-expect ko, dinner lang talaga with my family. So, I'm thankful po talaga guys kasi hindi naman yun possible without you guys. So,
Thank you.
I'm so blessed po. And then also, meron akong Kika balls. This is from Jarin? Jarin. From official team, ano ba? Thank you guys, official team Rain, Reindeers, the shippers there. Thank you so much, Ate A, Ate Pat, Mama Bear, Ate Patch, my parents, my brothers. Thank you so much, bro.
Eh.
Yes.
Thank you guys kasi wala talaga ito.
Hey.
My day is so much special talaga. Thank you. I feel so special and I feel so blessed. Thank you po.
See you later.
See you later sa Jensen Mall Show. Thank you. See you guys later. See you guys later in the KCC. Thank you, thank you. Bye. Thank you so much. Oh, also Lingayen tomorrow. See you guys. Bye-bye. Ay, paano ba? Bye! Thank you guys. Woo! Hala? I'm 2 million na? Where?
Huh? Where?
Where?
Sure.
I'll check.